Hi there, I'm Michelle the Painter. Today you're going to be watching a time-lapse version of my painting, Iris Swan. This painting I did today is inspired by a photo that was submitted by one of my Patreon members by the name of Carol Coastline. I have a benefit for the Patreon members where every now and again I put out a call for photos, they'll submit them, and I turn some of them into tutorials. And as a thank you, I will send this off to Carol, so I hope she enjoys it. But today you guys get to watch the sped up version of the video, the time-lapse version, and I have available for all of my Patreon members the full-length version of the tutorial. So if you're interested in watching the full-length version of this one or learning how you could submit your photos to me as well, I have all of that information down below in the video description. So I hope you enjoy. And that is going to conclude this painting. I hope you enjoyed the process. I hope you painted yourself a beautiful swan and irises, and I look forward to painting with you Patreons again sometime.